Crude oil and natural gas both have seen a good rise and a recovery yesterday. I have been mentioning several times in my previous updates for natural gas specifically that we have to stay bullish. We will look forward to 2.1, 2.2 levels. And now is the time for net gas to show the moves. It is now trading at 2.05. Likewise, crude oil yesterday is also begin to bounce back and where it has come closer to the next resistance at 82.5. So, can we expect this rise to continue in oil and gas? Can we expect another round of rally today? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, watch that as well. Do like, share, and comment. And join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till see crude oil on the hourly charts after the drop here and forming the bottom here. It is now trading in this bullish channel. Where are the highs of the channel? The highs of the channel are now situated at around 82.8, 83 zone, and thus it is very important for oil now to break beyond 82.8, 83 levels, beyond which we can expect that the bulls will be bit heavier for oil and we can expect the prices to move towards $85 levels. So for the day we have to wait for it to break beyond first 82.883 zone and then 83.5 levels. Beyond this certainly bullishness will prevail. Moving averages have already started to converge and the prices are seen taking support from the moving average as well. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic is rising as well. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at similar observation is what we can see. It is taking support here from the 20 period and trying to rise. We can look for a move towards 82.883 zone and beyond this we can expect more bullish momentum to prevail here. In fact, I will be looking forward for oil to come out of this bearish channel very soon where it can try to move higher, in fact beyond 86 as well. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, and stochastic is slightly overbought. That is a matter of concern here because see, a stochastic getting overbought, it may try to cool down a bit, which means a bit of red candles here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, prices got a bit stabilized here, and yes, we have seen higher lows and higher highs as well. There are definitely good support at 81.8 and 81.4 levels, and this makes this zone as a very good support. Second observation, if you look at it, has formed lower highs here. It can try to break on the upside. We have to just wait for it to break first 82.5, 82.8 and then 83 levels. If these three levels are taken, certainly you can say oil is looking forward to a very strong recovery. Be watchful of this, and thus you can buy here at 82.5 levels itself, where we can expect it to continue on the upside towards 82.8 and then higher levels towards 83.6, 84. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI and stochastic both are rising and trying to trade bullish. Coming to 4-hour, if you look at 4-hour charts, see the body size is diminishing here. This one is looking upwards. 20 period moving average sitting at 82.4, and once it gives a breakout beyond 82.5, 82.6 and specifically 82.8, 83, consider that we are looking forward to a stronger rise at least towards 83.5, 83.6. And if it breaks beyond this zone, then you can say now oil is reversing. I can see that it is forming a slightly skewed double bottom. Slightly skewed double bottom means forming lower lows and now trying to rise. So in fact it can try to form lower highs in, even though if it tries to do that, we can look forward to the prices above 84 very soon. And if it breaks, now look what has happened here. After the rise, this is retraced, and if it breaks out, it is going to be a stronger one. I'll be looking forward for a breakout very soon. Look at the 4-hour charts, the MACD now looking upwards. The RSI is also showing a rise, and the stochastic is overbought here. Coming to daily. So yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the journey and cherish the learning for life. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to the services. You can also be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Again, for any of your queries, you can ping to me. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence, and which offers a step-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description as well. Now, coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened on oil is it has formed lower lows And if you look at the preceding few candles, see, first of all, look at this as well. This is a swing here. The highs at 82.8 and 83 is going to be critical. If it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to a stronger rise. Remember this fact. If oil breaks beyond 82.8, 83, we will look forward to 83.6, 83.5, and then in fact, I'll be looking forward to further highs here. What has happened in oil here? See, it has seen a rise, and since there was too much of divergence, it has converged. It is now taking the support from the 50 period, and from here we can look forward to a reverse. So right now we can look forward for it to break first 82.5, 82.6, and beyond that. Now look, also one must notice the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, and once you see a tail here, the current candle should always try to move upward. That is my expectation. Thus I will be looking forward to a rise, and a breakout out of this channel is what I will be looking forward for, a confirmed bullish reversal. The MACD has dropped sharply. It is bearish here. RSI has dropped as well, and stock has ticket bottom as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil today at 82.5 levels. Wait for it to break beyond 82.8, 83 levels, and then 83.5, 83.6 levels. If these three levels are taken, then you can say now oil is turning bullish, and we can stay long for 84, 85 levels, and in fact higher. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend today is only and only if you see it is staying below 81.5. That is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. And then we can look forward to 81.1, and then 80.4, 80.6 levels. I have mentioned in my update before also that 80.4, 80.6 zone is going to be a very, very good support zone. It should not breach, and it has not broken till now. So I do not expect this to break as well, and a possible reversal is what I will be looking forward to. Now, let's have a look at natural gas. Now, see, nat gas yesterday has seen a very strong rise. It has taken the support here. I had mentioned in my update that it is taking support from the 2050 period moving average, and see this breakout. Now, this is the near term highs which nat gas has achieved, and it has further scope for it to move towards 2.1, and then in fact, I will be looking forward to 2.1 for 2.2 levels as well. Moving averages are trading with divergence looking upwards. The support levels are seen at around 2.04, 2.02. Now, these were the resistance which are going to play as a major support now. Moving averages or MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. It can try to bring the prices little down. Yes, it has seen the rise. It can retrace a bit before rising. This is one possibility you cannot ignore. RSI overbought trying to cool down. The stochastic also coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, a flat top is what we have seen, and the flat top it is trying to come back. See the support levels here in between 2.04, 2.02 is what is a very good support, and then the 20 period moving average sitting at $2 levels. So in fact, even if it tries to reverse, so first of all, selling entry I will recommend is at 2.03 levels and 2.02 levels. This zone you can take a sell entry, but then we have to be very, very careful as long as 2 and 1.98 is not taken. Only bearishness in gas is if it breaks this zone, that is 1.98, 1.96, which is going to be a very, very difficult thing for it to do. MACD is trying to converge, RSI is overbought, and stochastic is trying to drop as well. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts you can see symmetrical formation, first bearish candle. We can look forward to a second bearish candle taking it till towards 2.03, 2.02, and then it can in fact erase some of the gains moving towards $2 levels. Still, as I said, I will not be treating net gas as bearish. After the rise, it can try to take the support here, but then a bounce back is what we can look forward to. MACD bullish, RSI overbought, stochastic overbought here. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation, symmetrical formation is what we can see, and hence it is trying to retrace a little but not reversal. MACD bullish, RSI overbought, stochastic overbought here. Coming to the daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, remember one thing, that moving averages here have crossed over. This is a bullish cross. Second, this was the first rise retracement, second rise retracement. After a bit of consolidation, it has given a breakout. Now, I have shared yesterday as well, and I am sharing it again. We are looking forward to the top of the channel, which is now situated at around 2.15. So, today, if you see net gas is staying above 2.08, you can initiate a buying entry at 2.08, and you can expect it to move towards 2.1, 2.14 levels. Now this is the zone 2.1416, which is achievable level, and beyond that anything is a bonus here. And if you look at the support levels on the downside, I do not see it breaking below 1.98, 1.96 zone in any point of time soon. In fact, if you look at it, if you see net gas dropping towards 2.02, 2. Or $2 levels, you can buy there also as well, and it can try to bounce back from these levels. So for the day, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.3, 2.03, and buying entry at 2.08. In between these 50 points, do not take a trade. Below 2.03, 2.02 to 1.98, very, 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 very good support levels. Thus, you should be extremely cautious while taking the selling entry. You have to put your trailing stop losses there if you're selling at 2.03. And if you're buying at 2.08, first target 2.1, and then 2.1415 is what I will be looking at, which is an achievable level. So take your position accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.